What's up, Drip Kids?
Hi.
Well, we are back with another fun challenge video. This time we're going to be doing the baby food challenge. I'm sure that it's been a whole 1,000 years since y'all have eaten baby food, right?
Yes.
Well, y'all are big kids now, so it's been a long time since y'all have eaten baby food. So I'm curious to see if y'all are going to know the flavors of the baby food without looking at the words. What do you think? You think y'all going to know how to guess it? You think you're going to guess it right? Okay, well, first, before we get started, make sure you like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell, guys, so you can stay in tune and see what we're doing. So let's get it.
Do you have to taste it?
Can you? Yeah, you have to taste it. All right. So the first one, I'm about to give it to you guys. Y'all ready? What y'all think it's gonna be?
No. Applesauce. Apple. I think apple.
You think it's gonna be applesauce?
Apple and cinnamon.
Apple and
cinnamon.
Here's a hint. It's orange. It's gonna be orange. I know what it is. I know what it is.
Nope.
You're going to taste it. So instead of just yelling it out, just wait till I bring it to you, all right? Okay. All right. So I couldn't get baby spoons because the store I was at didn't have them. So we're just going to, each person is going to dip the spoon in, taste it, pass it, really? Pass it to the next person. Go.
Good.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like pears.
Nope.
I don't think pears are orange. What does that taste like? No, you can't. It's nasty. You gotta swallow it. You can't get up.
It's good.
You don't want to swallow it?
This baby food is good.
You gotta swallow it.
Swallow it.
Swallow it.
Do it.
Swallow it. Go spit it out. We're not gonna keep doing that this video though, okay? So you don't like it, try getting a little taste instead of a big taste like she did. What it tastes like?
Applesauce.
Wow.
Nope.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm gonna taste a good get a bit.
What you think, Tyson? What do you think?
I think it tastes like
Zyrick, you so hungry. What does it taste like?
it tastes like banana sauce.
Banana sauce. Oh my God. Well,
No,
so everybody thought, you said it was pears. You said it tastes like pears. Vonna, what does it taste like? You just spit it out. What do you think it tastes like?
it tastes like rotten eggs.
Bruh.
Rotten eggs. Okay. I hope nobody's feeding their babies rotten eggs. Zyrick, what does it taste like to you?
Pears.
Pears. And you said?
I think it tastes like baby sauce.
What does it taste like? That's not an answer.
I think it tastes like coconut.
Okay. And wrong.
What?
It was dun, 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 sweet potato.
What?
Y'all clearly.
I do eat my vegetables.
I do eat sweet potatoes.
I eat carrots and all that yummy stuff. I eat broccoli, all that.
Why though you lying? Why you always lying?
Okay, all that. Okay, yeah.
Mama, look
Okay, well, here's the next one. All right, so here's a hint. Here's the next one. It's green. What do you think this could be?
green beans.
Green beans?
Pear?
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 Okay. All right, well, let's see. Just get a little taste in case you don't like it.
This tastes like nothing.
It tastes like nothing.
It tastes like green beans.
Okay.
Get a little.
She always get the most. Just what it tastes like, Vonna.
What? It's pear.
Nope.
You gotta swallow it. What does it taste like?
This actually tastes like green beans.
Okay.
Green beans.
Okay. All right. So everybody said green beans.
Yeah.
Oh, Evonna said pear. What?
No,
What
Sean
happened?
said pear.
What's
No, I
wrong?
didn't.
Need some milk.
It tastes
No.
like nothing.
No, he said it tastes like green beans, and then he did say nothing, and then he said green beans. Are you okay? What's wrong? Okay, go. Move. All right, so everybody guessed green beans except Vonna. She said it was nasty. Okay, gotcha. She said it was pears, and it was actually green beans. Yay, you got it. All right. So on to the next one. All right, up next. I don't think you guys are going to be able to guess it by the color.
Yep.
What do you think it is?
Apple. Apple. Apple.
Okay, everybody's convinced on applesauce. Let's see.
Yep, it's delicious apple. I'm gonna start eating baby food.
Really?
Tastes so delicious. Come on, taste it.
Oh, you like that one? And it's funny because as a baby, that's how you were. You wouldn't eat the vegetables. You would eat the fruit.
That was so delicious.
I'm gonna start eating this up.
What does it taste like?
Applesauce. Applesauce.
Nope. No more. You always trying to double dip. No, greedy butt. All right, so everybody thought it was applesauce, right? Everybody sold on applesauce. Well, it's actually pears.
What is pears?
Pears.
I want some more.
Okay, good try though. So we got the next one. What do you guys think it is? Comment below what you think this one is.
I think it's applesauce. I think it's applesauce for real.
You think it's applesauce this time?
Yes. I think it's
We
applesauce.
shall see.
Delicious. Smoothie.
That's not a flavor. What does it taste like?
It's like strawberry.
Would strawberry be that color though? I mean, isn't strawberry red?
No.
Strawberry isn't red?
Yes. Zach, taste it. Bananas.
What you think?
Taste it. It actually tastes like bananas.
It tastes like banana?
Yeah, it tastes like bananas that smush. It tastes like banana split.
Banana what?
Banana split.
Banana split
Banana-
is 3 things.
Banana split? Well, so, Ashar, you said it was what, strawberries?
No.
What did you say it was?
It was smoothie. I think it's banana. No, you said smoothie.
But you didn't say that at first. Well, you're right. It's banana.
Yeah.
I think every baby knows the difference between banana and other flavors. That's like one of the top flavors for baby food.
The king flavors. King.
Okay. All right, let's go to the next one. Okay, this one I really don't think you're going to get. I really don't. What do you think it is, just by looking at it?
Strawberry.
Why does
Nope.
everybody say would strawberries be this color, though?
No. Strawberries are red.
It could be.
I don't
Because the
think
inside
so.
of the strawberries are that color.
Yeah, but in order to get to the inside, you have to get to the outside, right? Which is red. So I don't think it's strawberry. Good guess, though. You think it's fish? Just get a little tiny, barely taste it, Vonna. is
I like fish.
fish.
I'm not like that. No.
It tastes like sardines.
Sardines.
Oh,
Would a baby eat sardines
Mama,
and
just
fish?
eat it.
Take a little bite.
They made sardine food. They made sardine baby food.
Fish.
I don't think
You
sardine.
think it's fish?
Mama, why would you buy fish?
I didn't buy fish though.
They made it.
No, I didn't make it.
I'm saying
What is
they
that?
make it.
No,
I
I don't
think-
think I've
I think this is fish thing. I think it's sardines.
Yeah, it was Chinese.
Ew, you nasty. What do you think about the smell of it?
It was good. Can we smell it? We good.
You like it?
Yeah.
You're disgusting.
I like the
Sardines. Taste and smell. I'm using two of my 5 senses.
It's sardines. It's fish. Sardine win.
Okay, so everybody thinks it's fish, right?
Yes.
No, I think it's sardines. I think it's sardines.
Sardines is fish.
I think it's
Sardines.
sardine win.
Okay, you think it's what?
Sardine win.
Anyway.
Sardine win.
Anyway, we're gonna speak English here, but it's chicken. Sorry, guys.
That tastes nice.
Chicken and gravy, actually.
Ew.
Yeah, y'all never liked that as babies when I tried to feed to you.
No.
It's chicken and gravy. It's not fish.
That's a water.
Don't put your nose
No,
on
you
it.
can't have any more. Okay, let's go to the next. All right. Well, I think you guys will get this one.
I think it's
What do you think it is?
applesauce.
You think it's applesauce?
Yes.
Why?
Because it works this. It works the color.
I can tell by on the top in the round thing, it looks like parts of applesauce.
Okay. Well, let's see.
I'm a science master.
Boy, if you don't get.
At least that was science.
Applesauce.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna take this big bite. Yeah, me too.
I'm gonna take this big W.
A big W.
It's the same one.
It is the same what? What is it?
It's applesauce.
Okay. Oh, you like that one?
I think I'm gonna eat it all.
I didn't even take a big old bite because I'll take it. The biggest bite of all is the whole spoon.
Okay. So does everybody agree on applesauce?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I think we're eat apple. That's so
What did I do with the thing? Hold on, guys. Technical difficulty. I don't know what I did with the wrapper that quick. What I did with the wrapper, guys.
I don't know. Because we did not see
Oh, I found it. So guess what it is?
What?
It's mango.
Delicious mangoes.
It's mango juice.
I'm just kidding. It's applesauce. Calm down. Okay, we got one more, and that is the end of the challenge. Okay.
Mama,
What do you think this one is gonna be?
I think it's gonna be bananas.
You already have banana.
Peach. I think it will be.
You think it's gonna be peach?
Mama, then when we done, so we.
Stay focused.
Baby.
All right. So everybody thinks this is peach.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes.
Why?
I think it's babies.
Put that down. Why do you think this is peach? Put it towards the front of the table.
I think it's peach because
The
I
peach
can't tell
color.
why it's peach, but
Okay. Well, anyway, let's try it.
I think it will be cheese.
this is a nasty flavor.
It's nasty.
It tastes like
You taste it with your nose. You didn't taste it, Evonna.
she gonna try to put it up her nose. Nope.
Not that
stand right here. We got you.
No, Vonna.
You saw it.
We
No,
just
you
stopped
gonna
doing
eat
that.
it.
She barely got a taste of it anyway. She's just dramatic.
Yeah, it's my turn.
Don't get a big
It's
scoop.
delicious.
Stop, Vonna.
Now it's time to taste this delicious. Tyson, you know it wasn't your turn.
You didn't get it?
I didn't even take a bite in it.
Okay, give it back to him. Go ahead, Vonna.
Oh my
She's
goodness.
just drama, guys.
Eat that.
Goodbye.
Really?
Man, that's
What did it taste like?
It tastes like. It tastes like. It tastes like peach.
It tastes like peach?
Yeah. This tastes like. Let me smell it. No, Sash, what do you smell?
That tastes like some kind
Let me
of
smell
apricot or plum.
Apricot or plum?
it. It smells like
I'm
apple.
surprised you said apricot. They
It smells
actually do
like
have apricot. You don't even know what does apricot look like, Tyson?
An apricot was. It had big fat apple and then a big fat coconut, and then when you eat the coconut, it will have an apple, and then it will be blue coming out, and then it will be so delicious, and then it's gonna have yellow coming out, and then you're gonna say it's
No, you already took a bite.
nasty.
Oh. Okay. All right. Well, everybody tried it.
Yes,
So-
sir, man.
Yes, sir, ma'am. Okay. So you think it's apricot or plum?
I think it's
What do you think it is, Vonna?
apple pear.
Apple pear?
Yes.
Are you trying to say apricot?
Apricot.
Okay. What do you think it is?
Pears.
Pears? We already had pears though.
I think it is.
Vonna,
I think it.
turn around.
Okay. Banana.
We already had banana.
I think. Let me smell it.
How you gonna tell by smelling it?
Your senses.
Smelling
Can you put your nose in
Yeah, it does.
Sorry, you can't put your nose. I don't have a taste.
No.
No, you just did.
Okay, come on. 5, 4, 3. What do you think it is?
I think it is. What? Apple corn.
Apple corn.
I think
Okay.
it's apple cotton.
Apple cotton. Apricot?
Yeah.
Okay, well, guess what it is, guys?
What?
Something you probably never eaten in your life. It's squash. You out of here. Where you going?
I'm out of here.
It's squash.
I'm out of here. I want to eat the good.
Okay, guys, so that is the end of our challenge, our baby food challenge. What did you think about it?
It was good.
It was good? So what was your favorite flavor?
My favorite was bananas.
Bananas was the best? That's my favorite, too.
My
I still eat
favorite
that.
one was
Tyson.
I think my favorite one was the green bean one.
The green bean. Ew. What was your favorite, Vonna? Banana one. What about you?
Applesauce.
Applesauce. Okay. Well, I'm so glad you guys enjoyed it. We are going to come back with more fun videos. If you have a suggestion for us to do, please don't hesitate to drop it in the comments below. Again, don't forget to do what, guys?
Subscribe.